Yeah, yeah. Tired of the same old look this Christmas. Ready for your holiday decor to truly shine. Stop scrolling, you've arrived at the perfect place. Welcome to the holiday decor station. At home with Lisa. I'm sharing my whole lifestyle right here. Get ready for do-it-yourself projects, holiday decorating, and a peek inside my beauty lounge too. I'll give you everything you need to make your home sparkle, glow, and shine.
Hello and welcome to At Home with Lisa. Hi, love bugs. Welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. We're so happy you decided to click on this video. And if you're returning, welcome back. You guys, I am outside today. I am outside in my outdoor front porch entryway, and I have already decorated it, and I wanted to share with you guys what I came up with. It's very simplistic, and I love the simplicity of what I have created. So if you guys like this type of content, please don't forget to keep watching and to give it a thumbs up and leave me some sweet loving and kind comments down below. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into my Christmas front porch decor. So I did bring the black and white outside, and I did bring the bells as well too. These gold bells are absolutely gorgeous, and all I did was added some little artificial pine cones on them, and then the gold lanterns, I just added some black velvet bows on them. It's kind of windy outside, so they're blowing the ribbons, but I thought that was a cute little touch to add to the lanterns. I think that's a beautiful gold setting there with the lanterns and the bells. Now y'all, I picked these up from the Amazon store. These are some inflated ornaments, and y'all, look at the black and white plaid design on these ornaments. I thought they were so cute, and I thought they would be perfect in this entryway. Now, we did go with the Norfolk pine here around the door, so we added it all the way around the door, and periodically throughout I did add some ribbon here, as you can see, and we also added pine cones, and I added bells to the look as well. And then, as you can see, I have the bigger or larger bell up top, and then I created a bow out of that patterned ribbon, and it's very thick ribbon too. And I thought it would be so beautiful by adding the disco ornaments, and that's what I did to the top. So you can see the bows that I made on each side, and then we added the large gold bells as well too. And so the Norfolk garland is going around the entire door, and like I said, I just cut some ribbon, I dovetailed the ends, and then I just added it throughout the garland here that you see. And the bells are gold as well too. Well, these are more or less like a brass color, I believe. And then our wreath, you guys, we kept it very simple. We brought in the same pattern, and we utilized the disco ornaments as well too on the wreath, as we did at the top of the door onto the Norfolk garland. So you guys, I really kept it simple for the outdoor entryway this Christmas season. And I hope you guys like what I have created here, and I am just in love with the black velvet bows, you guys. And they had these at Michael's. They had these bows at Michael's, and I think they had them in several colors. I know they had them in pink, and I think they had them in red as well too. So of course I utilized the larger one on my Christmas tree. And if you guys didn't catch that video, please go back and watch the reveal of my Christmas tree. So this is the door in its entirety here. And then of course you guys saw the mat. I layered the mat. I used the black and white plaid bottom, and then I put the Merry Christmas solid black rug on top of that. So I did do the layering. I just love the layering look. I think it elevates your design really, really well. But yes, you guys, this is my front door entryway. I am loving it. I was worried about the wind blowing it away, but so far so good. Everything is still intact. And yeah, you guys, I want to thank you all so much for tuning in. I appreciate each and every one of you guys for tuning in on these videos. I appreciate your support. I appreciate every thumbs up that you give, and I also appreciate every comment that you leave for me. Now, sometimes it takes me a little minute to get back to the comments and respond to the comments, you guys, but eventually I will get to the comments. But again, I appreciate you all, and I thank you all for the time that you spend here with At Home with Lisa. So you guys, without further ado, we're going to take one quick look of this front porch entryway with the porch light on. And it just gives it a more brighter look, if you ask me. So yeah, you guys, thank you so much. Please don't forget to watch the video to the end. This was a very short one, but again, thank you all so much. I hope you all enjoyed it, and I wish everyone a very Merry Christmas. And if you've decorated your outdoor area, you know, share it with us if you haven't already done so. But like I said, this was a simple look, but it gives an elegant feel to me, and we love it. All right, you guys, I am going to be signing off, and I'm going to see you all in the next video. Bye bye, love bugs. See y'all in the next.
Christmas and a Happy New Year from my YouTube family to yours.